How to fix this device is currently in use error when ejecting external drive in Windows. Fix 1. Close all open files and applications. Ensure that no files stored on the external drive are open, as this can trigger the "this device is currently in use" error. Background processes can sometimes hold onto the external drive, causing the "this device is currently in use" error. Go to the Processes tab and examine the list for any processes related to the drive or applications that might use it, example backup software, media library services, cloud sync programs. Right-click on any process you suspect and select End Task. Windows Explorer itself can sometimes prevent the external drive from being ejected safely. File indexing can lock the drive, preventing safe ejection. Open File Explorer and right-click on the external drive. Select Properties from the context menu. In the General tab, uncheck the option Allow files on this drive to have contents indexed in addition to file properties. Click Apply, and when prompted, select Apply changes to Drive X, subfolders, and files, then click OK. Wait for Windows to apply the changes and then try to eject the drive. If that didn't work,